If you want to ask questions in English correctly and confidently, this video is for you. Today, you will learn the most important WH questions in a simple and easy way. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn 6 essential WH questions. What, where, when, why, who, and how. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand how to use them in daily conversation. Now, let's look at each one with some examples. What? We use what to ask about things, ideas, or actions. For example, what is your job? What do you mean? What are you doing? What do you want? What happened? Where? We use where to ask about places. For example, where are you? Where do you work? Where do you live? Where is my phone? Where is he going now? When? We use when to ask about reasons. For example, when will you go? When is your birthday? When do you start? When is the party? When are you free? Why? We use why to ask about reasons. For example, why is it important? Why are they leaving? Why are you sad? Why are you late? Why did you call? Who? We use who to ask about people. For example, who is there? Who is your teacher? Who called you? Who is coming? Who are they? How? We use how to ask about the way or method. For example, how can I help? How much is it? How is the weather? How does it work? How did you come here? Great job! Now you understand how to use WH questions in real English. Keep practicing and you will improve very quickly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video!